Hi everybody, happy Saturday. I'm Mary Beth Dunlap. I'm a realtor with Garrett Realty Partners here in Virginia Beach, Virginia, as well as Coldwell Banker in Punta Gorda, Florida. But today I'm in Virginia. It's 60 some degrees here today on this February 10th, and I'm at an open house. I'm here from 11 till 2 today. So stop in and see me. I was inundated this morning. Little girls running around asking for cookies, and my bad, I forgot the cookies. Anyway, make a note for the next time. Anyway, I am at 816 Sagebrook Run in Chesapeake. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-car garage in the highly sought after neighborhood called Cedarwood Condominiums. This is a condo association, but these are detached homes, so really is more like single family living. This is a great area, real close to the Great Dismal Swamp. Great schools, downtown Chesapeake, the Outer Banks of North Carolina, just a really great area. Anyway, if you have some interest in this home, you know what to do. Give me a call. If you have interest in buying a home, you know what to do. Give me a call. If you have interest in selling a home, you know what to do. Give me a call. All right, let's go take a look at this beautiful home.